Unrelenting military and the police siege imposed by Narendra Modi-led Hindutva Indian government on 5th August 2019 continues to take a heavy toll on the daily life of the people in the occupied Kashmir. A report released by the research section of Kashmir Media Service today said that the life of the Kashmiris has been made a living hell since India illegally revoked the special status of occupied Kashmir on 5th August 2019. The report revealed that the Indian troops martyred 857 Kashmiris, including 17 women and 28 young boys, during the period. The report said that the troops damaged over 1,116 houses and molested and disgraced 133 women during cordon and search operations and house raids across the occupied territory in the period. Kashmir Solidarity Day is being observed in Azad Kashmir, Pakistan and worldwide today on 5th February with a renewed commitment to support the just struggle of the Kashmiri people for their right to self-determination. According to Kashmir Media Service, the people and the government of Pakistan and Azad Kashmir observe the Solidarity Day every year, not only to renew their love and affection with the people of occupied Kashmir, but also to reiterate their commitment to the liberation of occupied Kashmir from Indian subjugation. Illegally detained senior All Parties Hurriyat Conference leader Shabir Ahmad Shah has expressed gratitude to the people and the government of Pakistan for their sincere support to the Kashmiri struggle for their right to self-determination. According to Kashmir Media Service, Shabir Ahmad Shah, in a message from the Tihar jail, said that the observance of 5th February as a Solidarity Day with the freedom-loving people of Kashmir is an ample proof that Pakistan is doing all its efforts for a peaceful settlement of the Kashmir dispute. 25-year-old Indian police constable was found dead under mysterious circumstances in the Kupwara district. According to Kashmir Media Service, the lifeless body of the deceased constable Muhammad Arif was discovered in the police line area of the Kupwara. All Parties Hurriyat Conference leaders and organizations have thanked Pakistan for observing the Kashmir Solidarity Day to express solidarity with the oppressed Kashmiri people. According to Kashmir Media Service, APHC leaders in their statements in Srinagar termed the Kashmir Solidarity Day as a testament to the unbreakable bond between Pakistan and the oppressed people of the occupied Kashmir. Last night, suspicious blaze engulfed an Indian Army complex in the Kupwara, resulting in the destruction of injuries to 6 soldiers beside heavy damage to the property. According to Kashmir Media Service, the incident unfolded at the Indian Army's camp in Zangli in the district last night. The streets of Barcelona, Spain, in a powerful display of unity, echoed with Free Kashmir and Free Palestine slogans as the Kashmiri diaspora and their allies gathered for the annual Kashmir Solidarity Day March. According to Kashmir Media Service, the event organized by Tehreek-e-Kashmir UK drew attention to the struggles of the Kashmiris and Palestinians for self-determination.